It truly felt like I hadn't even come. When I got home, it was like, really, that's all done. I mean, it's almost a out-of-body experience because you don't have any hospital stay, you don't need to have any physical therapy. I mean, right away, you have that grinding, awful pain in your hip joint is gone. Well, apparently it got old without me knowing it. I think that it had just had a lot of wear and tear over the years for whatever reason, and we do have some arthritis that runs in our family. When I came out here, I fully expected him to say, take to a leave, I'll see you later, and the news was your hip is blown and you need to have it replaced. What brought me to Orthopedic Associates was several referrals from neighbors who had had hip replacement surgery with Dr. Bong. I noted that everyone who had gone to him was really functional and back at work within 2 weeks after their surgery. I didn't know I was going to need hip surgery. I didn't know anything was wrong with my hip, but when it was, we of course came out here and he lived up to his reputation. When you start out with the staff at Orthopedic Associates, you feel very welcomed. Everybody's really calm and nice. You don't feel rushed at all. It was like, it's not a big deal. I wasn't freaked out by any of it. The day of my surgery, it was great. I just felt very well cared for. The 23-hour orthopedic surgical clinic was amazing. Be able to come in, have it done, and be home in your own house the next day is phenomenal. There's some recovery period afterward, but what better place to do it than in your own home? It's wonderful. I can do things that I never thought about before, like running up the stairs, things you take very for granted. I'm able to exercise, live a normal life. I can walk like a normal human being. So I would highly recommend Orthopedic Associates, really for any type of bone surgery or any orthopedic needs. I found everyone to be top-notch.